Welcome to our TrojanLabel T2-C tech support video series. Today, we'll review how to insert the printhead on a new TrojanLabel T2-C. Open the new printhead from the packaging and remove the protective tape. On your new T2-C, the printhead latch should pop open automatically. Lift it the rest of the way open and remove the protective caps. Insert the printhead at a slight angle, then push forward to make contact and snap it into place. Push the blue printhead latch down. On the top right of the TrojanLabel screen, it should change from error state printhead missing QA to printhead unprimed. If it doesn't say printhead unprimed, then you need to take it out and try to insert it again. Now you're ready for the next step. Go into the maintenance section of the T2-C software and then do insert printhead to prime the head. Now let's take a look. Once you've clicked Insert Printhead, you can watch the ink pumping into the printhead through the ink lines. When changing printheads, first go to Maintenance/Released Printhead to drain the ink back into the reservoirs for reuse. When it's done with the pumping, the blue latch will pop open and you can remove the head and replace it with a new one. That's it. Now you know how to insert a new printhead into the TrojanLabel T2-C, or release and replace a printhead when you need to. For additional tech support videos, please visit our TrojanLabel video playlist. Thank you very much.